Hello everyone.
Hello, teacher.
What's day today?
Saturday.
Saturday and 15 August 2026. Today we learn about lesson 5, the Sleepy Secret and Asian. Everyone, please look at me. What I do? Okay. Get up. Okay. Look at this clock. What time is it? 7 o'clock. Every day. What should you do in the morning at 7 o'clock? What? Clean or brush your teeth? Brush your teeth. Okay. Today we learn about the Sleepy Secret Asian. Everyone, what time do you get up in the morning?
I get up
7 o'clock. And then
get up
6 o'clock.
I get up 5 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock.
I get up
5 o'clock. And what should you do after you get up?
I go to the
Bathroom to brush
my teeth.
your teeth. Okay? Okay, everyone. Thank you. Everyone, look at the whiteboard. I have more work to explain for you. Can you read? Can you read? Wait up. Can you translate in Khmer? Krao pi ke. And then get. What is this?
It's breakfast.
It's breakfast. Translate in Khmer. Okay, good. And then next. What is this?
Go to school.
Go to school in Khmer.
Go
Tới xà lá.
Go to
And then next. What is this? Cake. So take a word in Khmer. Good. And then the end. Let's go. Today we complete more sentences with our clock. Okay? When we wake up in the morning, 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. And when you eat breakfast, 8 o'clock. When you go to school, at breakfast at 8, you go to school at 7. At 9 o'clock. And when you take a shower after you go back to home. At 4 o'clock in the evening. And after you take a shower at 4 o'clock, when you go to bed. You go to bed at 9 o'clock. Every day, do you do more activity like this in our clock like this? Breakfast at 6 o'clock. Eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. Go to school at 9 o'clock. Take a shower at 4 o'clock. Go to bed at 9 o'clock. So the day you more be busy in school. Okay. Next, I'm separate you two teams, and one group 1 and group 2 to discuss about to base the clock. You can ask the question to another one, and you draw the clock. Okay. Example: when I go to school, then you should write time in your notebook, and then someone gets you. Okay.
When will I wake up? When will I wake up? You wake up at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Oh yes, okay. Yes, no.
6 o'clock?
Yes.
Okay. 6 o'clock.
I wake up 6 o'clock. Okay. What time I go to school? When I go to school at 7 o'clock.
Maybe 8 o'clock.
No. At 9 o'clock. No.
12 o'clock?
No.
Or half 9?
No.
Thôi luôn mơ bị gió ạ.
No.
6 o'clock.
Can you show your answer to him?
What time I
11 o'clock?
No.
10 o'clock?
No. 5
9 o'clock?
No.
9 and a half.
Yeah, okay.
Half past 9?
No.
Let's go. Start.
10 o'clock. Cháu ai
Start.
chào
See
mày?
your pen. Start and then. Start. អញ្ចឹងមិញឃើញពួកយើងនិយាយអង់គ្លេសបានល្អហើយឥឡូវយើងខលទៅភាសាខ្មែរទីព្រោះវាយល់ដែរតាអញ្ចឹងយើងបន្តទៀតយើងចូលដល់សកម្មភាពមួយទៀតteacher have a 3 picture in this and then you guess 2 plus picture 1 and picture 2 and picture 3 and you guess and then you correct with me in the whiteboard and then do you see your my picture how many picture 3 one what is this you see alien oh god and what is this burger and what is this USO what do they were
USO in burger.
It's burger and what time
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock 1 o'clock
12
o'clock can you guess 3 pictures meaning take to your notebook សរសេរទៅលើហើយយើងសរសេរថាតើសកម្មភាពទាំង3ហ្នឹងគឺជាអ្វីស្រាប់លើមុខសាច់នេះទីសកម្មភាពទាំង3នេះគឺជាអ្វីហ្នឹងហើយ
Mấy người cái kem
Dạ. Đấy, để nó bị ảnh tiền cho
Anh
em.
em nhắm pizza. Anh em nhắm burger. Anh em nhắm Shopee. Anh em nhắm burger burger mà nó bị dụng.
Dạ, em giờ mới chụp lại. Dạ, can you guess and then you correct with me in the whiteboard.
Burger. Nơi màu đọc pi dục.
Eat burger at 12 o'clock. Okay. Dạ. Alien yang burger này mà không được. Okay, dạ. Can you take your answer with me in the whiteboard? Its meaning mice, alien, eat, space, burger, at 12 o'clock. Are you correct? Your answer? My alien in space burger and block of mới có thể mình tin với tôi trình bày một cái gì đó alien nhóm nhắm burger phải lên 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 lại lấy đây biến tập lên tìm kho cá rồi đó nhắm burger lên kho cá lên màu đỏ đọc tỷ cục rồi đó. And then you go to next step. You do summarize activity that you learn about that day. And I choose your team to role play. Nếu như tất cả ta tu sủng tải, tôiจะเอาทำลูกลุงvậy sẽ làm việc ấy tu sủng tảiกันnày. Nhữngลูกลุงเนี่ยsẽ làm việc bay được trong lần. Tập dẫn câu năng thăng ham làm câu sủng tải này mà sẽ như người này. In the morning, when you get up, can you get? Okay, you get your answer. Her answer. Okay. When she wake up in the morning.
When she wake up in the morning,
Right up. Thank you. Stop. One more. Stop. When right is 9 o'clock in English. 9 o'clock. Can you spell 9? Spell 9. Can you spell? Can you translate it? Màu trắng, in your hand. And then one more. Okay. Sleep. No. I'm so sleepy and I want to sleep. So you can guess it. I'm very sleep.
Okay.
Giống như này hai cùng lệ.